Damn. Oh man, I don't want to screw my car up. My battery died. Came home this morning and forgot I had my headlights on, and I came out and my car's dead. Oh God. Huh? No, not yet. Ooh, that doesn't sound good.
You should have anybody working on your car.
I don't have nobody work on my car.
Listen, yesterday you did.
What?
Don't do that, Andrea.
What are you talking about?
Didn't Davey
The vacuum.
connect something? Whatever. Okay. Let's just start.
It'll start. It'll start. I mean, it's got power now.
That's got, yeah, but you got some other issue now.
What?
That thing right there, the alternator.
My alternator? How do you know?
This thing right here.
How do you know?
Because it's not spinning.
Oh shit.
It's trying to spin. Look at your belt.
Uh-huh. I heard that whining.
It's shredding.
Yep. Yep. I got me a nice car. Dude, I think it's fried. At least I didn't kill this one. At least I didn't kill this one. This one came to me dead. Right? You want me to shut your truck off?
Don't get the paper. Don't get me some paper towel. Got some in there?
Yeah. I think yesterday was the first and final day I was ever to drive this car.
Got no oil.
We just had oil in it.
Right there.
Oh, I see that now. I need to go buy some oil. Then I got a bad oil leak then. Because I had at least a full, it was not up to the full line, but it was enough. So, yep, that oil leak is not good. Because it's, god dang it. I better not blow up this motor. I swear.
Go get that cylinder, Andrea. Go
The
get
who?
that. Go get that funnel.
This one? Mm-hmm. I bought a lemon, yo. And it's against the law to sell people lemons, and this guy sold me a lemon. I'm not gonna tell on him though, it's snitching. Whoa, what the hell was that? I heard that. Oh my gosh. Well, what the hell does this go to? The hell? Uh-oh. I don't know if that's normal. That's probably not normal. I don't know where it could go. Man, so I gotta check fluids on this damn thing daily. Like daily.
Andre, you knew you had a leak, right?
Yeah.
Well,
I've never had a leak in any of my cars before, so I don't know, like, you know, how fast they drain out. It's like bleeding out. He's just ready to freaking
well,
already
I didn't
die
see what
on
it
me.
looked like when it was full.
I probably have a live video of it as evidence. I think I do. You're professional, ma'am. I'm gonna hire
It's
you.
called living on your own, Andrea.
Yeah. Well, then I've lived a little too luxury then by myself. Because my car...
Who checked the fluids in your other car?
My Magnum?
Yeah.
I did. But not as fluently as I was supposed to, apparently. What is that? My
It's
brake
your
fluid?
brake fluid.
Well, we could thank Ernest for all the, you know, manly business he did bringing himself down to help me check this car out. Thanks a lot,
You always
Ernest.
you always want to test drive it, and then
I
come
did
back
test drive it.
and park it, and then you should have moved the car and see if you had anything leaking underneath it.
Well, shoulda, woulda, coulda.
Mm-hmm.
Again, I've never bought a beater before,